This is my journey, my OBS journey. Nobody can tell you this story but me. From the beginning to the end. 3 different trucks, 3 different engines, wrecks. Boats won't do this and boats won't do that. Paint jobs. Just the story. My OBS journey. Trying to get it right. But with cars, every man knows. Takes time. Takes the right plan. It takes making something out of nothing. But now,
OBS coming together.
we coming together. Got a new body, new engine. I'm ready to play. I'm outside in my OBS. No, it's not for show. Even though it look pretty up under there. We making real horses. Shout out to Hot Rod Company for the tremendous build. I know y'all love how this thing talks and how it walks. It's a pretty little thing. Together. It's twinkling, twinkling, twinkling. Man, ain't got a paint job yet.